GPA funded young Kenyan grantees focused on technology and mentored by Gearbox.
We started Global Philanthropy Alliance to support young social entrepreneurs in Africa.
What GPA has been committed to doing is to translate those desire and expectation into actual action.
Gearbox aims at improving ecosystems for hardware entrepreneurship into the fourth industrial revolution.
Having gone through steam and mechanical power in the 1700s, electricity and mass production in the 1800s, digital fabrication and digital everything, and now 50 years later there's a merger of all of these. The cyber, the physical world, the world of biology and microbiology and molecular biology and genomics and so on. So this now coming together is a fourth industrial revolution.
As vendor sanitary towel dispensers are sold individually and inexpensively in public toilets, allowing discreet access for girls and women.
We came up with a sanitary towel vending machine that avails one sanitary towel at 10 shilling and another sanitary towel at 20 shilling. We have learned a lot from the current locations. We have been able to isolate what works, what doesn't work, and we have also gotten funding from the Global Philanthropy Alliance, which has helped us expand to 50 new locations.
Mycrif's technology allows for more affordable, efficient surgery and shorter recovery time. Patients have lower hospital costs and can resume work quicker.
How can we be able to help the surgeon be part of the process of reducing the cost in surgery? And we realize that it is through enhanced planning. A surgeon normally sees the patient's images, CT scans, MRI on a 2D screen, yeah? But then they can only do so much on a 2D screen. And what you're giving them is a new dimension. That is, we're giving them replicas of the patient CT scan for them to be able to have it on their hands and to be able to manipulate it, look at the patient's anatomy from different angles, and also have that new input of touch, which is very essential in the coordination of planning.
Erinifu's product lowers the mortality rates of chicks, helping increase profit levels.
We started the Smart Breeder project after campus. The system is pretty simple. It's composed of a few sensors, temperature and humidity sensors. They are placed around the chicken coop. The sensors take the data, transmit it to an onboard processor. The processor knows the age of the chicks, knows the requirements, and it's able to automatically adjust everything. And whenever anything goes wrong, it's able to alert the farmer. And this provides the farmer with peace of mind in that they'll get a notification whenever anything goes wrong.
Pregmum improves maternal and fetal health care to patients in remote areas while increasing mortality rates.
We saw there is a problem, especially when it comes to continuous fetal monitoring. There is a lack of proper monitoring tools after the hospital setup. We are looking at the mother being capable of monitoring herself continuously and especially still being engaged with such a data. So the device is going to be connected to a digital platform whereby the specialist can engage with the data, and if any kind of critical cases that come up, the system and the device is going to alert even before.
So this is the second phase. This fully filtered. It only picks up the fetal heart rate and separates the other noises from whatever feedback it's giving.
Kenya Pastoralist Journalist Network brings peace to communities by building businesses. They provide economic and social opportunities to former combatants. This reduces violence, allows youth to avoid joining gangs, and promotes peace and prosperity in the community.
We use community radio, that's non-profit, radio listening group sessions. We brought religious leaders, we brought youth leaders, we brought opinion leaders, we brought victims of armed violence for them to talk and to narrate the ordeal they underwent and everything. And by doing so also we brought the local administration, that is the government officials on board, to also talk and give their opinion and intervention and what they can do. And by doing so, active combatants, people who are killing all these people, that is the clan militias, who are operating in the conflict zones. They were listening to the radio programs. They called and they participated. So you see that one now, it was that one now brought in indirect beneficiaries.
There are solutions based on observing what is there and saying we can provide a solution, but we are going to do it using technology to inform how we make that solution possible.
What we really are interested is in identifying things that can make a big difference to many, many people.